Another custom fireplace from the Fireplace by Magic Touch.
Converting a wood fireplace to gas. We start by leveling and squaring our opening. Next we install our custom-built firebox. Our client wanted raw black steel. He loved the raw, unfinished look. Next we install our burner and remote control kit. Our client wanted black fireballs, aka cannonballs. Fireballs are a popular upgrade for gas fireplaces. Next we install a base layer of black lava rock. We covered the base layer with reflective fire glass. The flames reflect off the glass, creating a twinkling effect. Our client requested black reflective fire glass for his project. Everything was customized to our client's preferences. One final touch, custom fire art. The spikes are made from polished nickel. Stay tuned to see it working after the surround is finished.
Let us create your dream fireplace or fire pit. Visit our website, fireplacesarizona.com, or call 480-500-6778.